again, I'm making sugar-free shortbread cookies. You need 3 cups of flour. You need 340 grams of butter. You need some vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. And you need some Rebecca stuff. This is stevia, sugar replacement. So I'm gonna pour this in my mom's Kenwood. Ta-da! Now I'm going to put 3 cups of fresh flour. Now I'm going to mix 1 cup and put 1 more and then mix and then put 1 more cup. Put everything inside, including flour. Because my butter is unsalted, I'll add a little bit of salt. Let's give it one more last round of mixing. Now I'm going to put it in sealing wrap. Now I'm going to use cling wrap. I'm going to use flour so the dough doesn't stick. Sorry for that whining sound. That's just my dog. It's been raining heavily. Let's take the dough out. Smells great already. Wrap it and put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes. I'm going to make the shapes of the cookie. Now you shape it. Heat the oven to 160 degrees. And then once you shape it and put it on the tray and put it on the oven, leave it there for 15 minutes. I'm re-rolling the dough. This time I'm going to add dry raisins. This is the first batch because I don't have enough space. So it's time to go in the oven at 160 degrees for 50. Now it was in the oven, it's time to eat! This is the one where I mudged the cookie inside.